Hi friends, I'm back with my last firework leaflet video for 2024, and this is from the supermarket giant Tesco. And let's see what they have for this year. Let's see. Okay, the family friendly favorites. Okay, titanium sparklers, £1, and then the rainbow fountain for £8. Let's see, that's 1 minute. And then we got the Starbound sparklers, which is £1.50. We got how many of them? Three. Okay, looks like a bit on expensive side, that is. And here we go. Then we have the bright light fountain pack, £30. We got 5 items in it, and 4 minutes and 40 seconds. So all five fountains. Uh, if you're someone who enjoy fountain, it might be a good deal for you. Okay, here we go. A Clubcard price 3 for 20 or £8 each. Section low noise fireworks, carnival. Yeah, this is one of the popular ones from the Tesco. And the gala fountain, is it 1 minute and 15 seconds? Yeah, that's kind of another popular one from Tesco. And Astro rockets, yeah, 5 rockets, multi-effect rockets, 5 items, which is £8 if you buy individually, but as mentioned here, 3 for 20 for a Clubcard price. Here we go. £15 selection box. How many items in it? 15 items. That's equivalent to £1 each item. Got 8 fountain, 3 shot tubes, 3 Roman candles, and 1 Roman candle cake. And then we come to Skyfire selection box, which is 16 items, £25. 16 fireworks, comprising 1 shot tube, 1 Roman candle, 2 Roman candles, 1 Roman candle cake, 2 rockets, and 10 fountains. Midnight Mania selection box, £35 for 17 items. And multi-shot cake is £15, 16 shots. Then it comes to flame multi-shot cake, £25, 22 shot, just 25 seconds. Not sure they got the QR codes here for them. You can try if you want a leaflet. And then we come to the showstopper multi-shot cake, 30 shot, 30 seconds, £35. And it's 2 for 45 for Clubcard price. Okay, this is quite expensive. 1 grand finale single ignition, 1 minute and 15 seconds, 100 shot. Yeah, and this is the expensive 120, which got 3 minutes and 25 seconds, 198 shots. It's not bad. And for the ultimate display, for someone going for a huge bonfire night party, this would be something. Here we go, and not for me. And this one looks quite interesting. Element shot tubes, £5, 4 shot tubes, high noise, look like a similar one to the Sonic Boom. Okay, this is the only interesting thing I found in Tesco's firework leaflet. So it says £20, 12 multi effect rockets including purple stars with silver fish, and 6 varied effect shot tubes. So altogether 18 items, £20. To be very honest, this is the only one thing that caught my eyes on this year's Tesco's fireworks. All the cakes look a bit expensive. The duration, see, 20 seconds, 25 seconds. I have seen a better cake from other supermarkets. Please let me know what's your thoughts on this year's Tesco fireworks, and please let me know which one you would recommend. Thank you for watching my videos, and please keep subscribing and encouraging me. See you in another video. Take care, and bye bye.